everyone. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. I'm about to drop some fish fingers here, so I really hope you enjoy it. Once many of you asked how I organize my charts after seeing this object tree here on the right, I am going to show you how I do it to keep my charts clean and to make visible or hide the drawings in any time frame and every time I want to see or not see that specific drawings. I consider this video a continuation of the trading view tutorial that Brad did. So if you didn't watch it yet, please do, because you won't be able to work with the tools and follow through the video as good as you will be after watching Brad's video. So basically my method to organize trading view is putting the drawings in folders rather than just selecting the drawings and change the visibility. Okay, why is that? Because sometimes I may be on a 4-hour and want to see other points of interest. So the only thing I need to do is hide or unhide the zones, as simple as this. And the same happens when I'm in the 15 minutes, for instance. When I'm in the 15 minutes, I may want to see where are the 4-hour point of interest. And I may want to also hide them, not to see them. This also turns it very easy to organize the lower time frames entries. For instance, I organize it by days. So every time I want to see something that happened on the 1 minute, all I need to do is unhide the folder from that day and I'll see everything. Of course, it's going to be a mess because this is done for the 1 minute. But yeah, it's easier like this. So as you see, I have a daily folder for daily points of interest and for daily structure. I'm going to unhide the rest. You see, this is so easy to keep it clean. It's just like that. So yeah, I have a daily folder for point of interest and structure. I don't have the daily divided by structure and POIs because I only check daily normally in the beginning of the day or week. So it's not very important for me to keep it divided. But once I go to the 4-hour, as you may see, I have it divided in structure and POIs. Why is this? Because I may be on the 15 minutes and want to show the 4-hour point of interest to see if price is coming back to a specific zone. But if I have the structure unhidden also, so visible, this may confuse me with a 15-minute structure. So normally what I do is I go to the 15 minutes, right? And I want to see the point of interest, but I don't want to see structure because I don't want to be confused. So what I do, simple as this, hide the structure, and now the swing points are not confusing me anymore. What I put on the structure is as simple as the lines for the boss, the swing low and the swing high, and sometimes also the fib retracement for the premium and discounted zone. I also put the fib retracement outside the folders because it's easier for me to just select only this drawing because I may be in any time frames and want to see if we are on a discount or premium zone of the 4-hour, because we know how important is 4-hour premium and discounted zone, right? By the way, I have been people also asking me how to set up the settings for this fib retracement. So here they are. Just take a print from this and you'll be able to set yours too if you want it the same way I do. If you, for instance, you don't want the background and you just want the lines, it's as simple as this. Just uncheck the background and it will vanish and you will have only the lines visible. On the 15 minute, there's a slightly difference. So I have one folder for mitigated supply and demands. And why is this? Because for instance, if I would like to go back in price and backtest, it's always easier. So imagine this fib here from the daily is really messing with me. So I just need to unhide it and that's it. When I'm doing backtesting, it's quite important to come back and to study why price reacted to a specific point of interest and it didn't react to another. This helps me build data, more confidence selecting the most probability supply and demands that price may react. And each day, I have a folder for that specific day with all the callouts, 1 minute entries of the day. In this way, anytime I want to visit a specific date, imagine I want to go back to the 14th of October. Yeah, so it's here. Let me check the 13th. Oh yeah, you see, the 13th. Let me check the 18th, for instance. Here you go, you see, all the call outs and all that. Yep, this is it. When I'm coming back to study, this makes it much easier because I just go back to a specific date and see what price reacted to, what did it do, and it is quite nice. So in order for you to do this, we're going to test this on a white and blank chart, and we're going to do it from the beginning so you can see how to organize it this way. Okay, so please don't mind about the analysis, okay? I'm just showing you the drawings, how to do it, and how to organize everything in folders. So this is a demand. I just need to do it this. And this is a supply. Let's put supply here. And yeah, this is a daily boss. So what do we do next? We click Shift as Brad taught us, or we just select with the control, right? And what I do is I create a folder, I rename that folder, and I say, this is daily. That's it. Then what do? I go to the 4 hour and I do exactly the same. But remember, on the 4 hour, I have two folders. How do I do this? So imagine just selecting this structure over here. Structure on daily is messing a bit with me. So I just hide it and that's it. Then I have a supply here. This is a demand. And then we have swing low, imagine. What I do is trend line and highlighters are the structure. So I select 4 hour structure. And then all the rectangles are zones. Done. As simple as this. So then I go to the 15-minute and I do exactly the same, right? You already know. Okay, I trace here a demand. I draw here a supply. And yeah, what I can do, as you know, is putting mitigated and not mitigated, right? So this rectangle and this rectangle are unmitigated. And this one is mitigated already, right? All this comes to 15-minute structure. So let's pretend we are now doing, like, entering a new day, right? And we're going to the 1 minute and we want to play something off of the 1 minute, right? Imagine I'm waiting for a change of character, right? I come here. And maybe I want to see if a short is going to present here, right? I select all this and I put it in the folder with the name of the day. Imagine 22 of October. That's it. So if I go to a higher time frame and I still want to see this, I'll be able to see my short. But if I don't want to see it, I just need to hide it and that's it. My chart is clean and simple. Lots of people asking me how to put this on the background. Well, you see here head. This is all the things I have on the background of my chart. And then I have the head below everything to make sure that every drawing is above my name, yeah? My nickname, yeah? All you have to do is anchored text. So you come here, you select this, and you put here, Pip Master, you see? Then you select the opacity if you want it really hard or if you want it like this. And yeah, you can also put some spaces to turn it really cool. What you do next, that is very important. Don't forget to lock it, because if you lock it, then you won't be able either to move it, but watch out because you may be able to delete it without wanting to delete it. That happened to me sometimes. You keep it locked. What do I do with mine in order to not, if I delete it, I didn't pay attention properly to see that I deleted, I keep one of them here on the low of everything and I keep it hidden. Imagine I delete this, right? Ooh, no, what now? Well, I'll just need to come down here and then put it again on my chart. That's it. Well, yeah, hope you enjoy it. Have an amazing day. And remember, Keep pushing forward because the best result is surely coming. Take care. Bye.